Hey, I am so excited to give you a quick little tutorial on how to use all of those exciting skincare samples that you just got. So you've got all of the samples here of our skincare products. And on this second sheet is just a quick little overview of what each one does. And I am going to just show you how to use each and every one of them. So this little guy right here, this is a body and face cloth. So we are going to utilize this to do our washing of our face. So this is all I use on my skin anymore. I don't use any kind of soaps or body washes. I just use the body and face cloth. It is fantastic for cleaning your skin. Now, to start off our skincare system, we are going to actually use the cleansing powder first, okay? Now, that little packet of cleansing powder has enough in it to wash your face for an entire week. So to use your cleansing powder, you're gonna take the little top off of that. Get your hand wet, okay? Start with your hand to be wet, because if you put this in your hand first and then try to get it wet, you're gonna lose all your powder. All you need is about that much, so you really don't need very much. And then get your second hand wet. So once both of your hands are wet, you're just gonna rub them together, and you are gonna create this beautiful, lovely, silky foam. You are just gonna rub that on your face, especially you can get that T-zone area, especially if you got oily skin. This is gonna feel fantastic. It's going to give you a little bit of an exfoliation and just deep clean your pores. Oh, it feels so good. Now, you can use water and splash this off if you want. You can take your body cloth and just wipe it off. Either way is perfectly fine. And just feel how your skin feels. It just feels so good. Now, to put your skincare on, you actually want your skin to be slightly damp, so don't get it dry after you do this. So you washed yourself, and now your skin is slightly damp. So we always start our first step with our serum, okay? We go with the lightest thing first. Your serum is going to prep your skin. This is a targeted moisture, and it preps the skin for everything else that's gonna follow. And you wanna put this up on your neck as well. And that's just gonna soak right in that serum. Now, your serum, and also a little trick for this, you don't need very much. Sorry, I didn't show you how much. But I use about that much of the serum. Now, you can actually put it on the back of your hands, and then it makes it really easy to roll up this area under your neck. Little trick for you there. And then just rub it into your hands, because it's fantastic and it will help your skin. So once you've got your serum on, the next thing you're going to do is put on your eye cream, okay? So the Renewing Eye Cream is next. Now I use about that much is all that you need. So not even quite a pea-size amount. You wanna put this on your ring finger, and you're gonna dab that under your eyes. Now remember, our eye cream is actually approved to go from your bone to your brow. So you can actually go all the way up, even moisturizing those eyelids. Get those areas where there's those crow feet tied, and just dab that in without really rubbing your eyes, right? Because it's just such sensitive skin there. All right, our eyes are beautiful. This is gonna help to hide those baggy eyes. It's gonna get rid of the puffiness. It's going to help to tighten that skin and just give you a beautiful glow. After we have put on our eye cream, the next thing that we are going to do is do our hydrating moisturizer. So this, we're prepping for the day right now. If it was nighttime, we would be using the night cream, okay? So you're gonna use one or the other. You don't need to use both. So you have a sample of the day cream and the hydrating moisturizer. So we're gonna do the hydrating moisturizer. And I am just gonna use, same thing, just about a little bit of a pea-sized amount. And you just kind of tap it on there and then just rub it in. And it is gonna go all over your skin. Feels so good. Get up your neck. And you can see that it's just going to balance your skin. Oh, looks good. Okay, so then you have your illuminating oil. Now, tip for this one, take a pin and just poke a hole in that illuminating oil. That little bag of illuminating oil can seriously last you like 2 weeks, because you only need like 2 drops of your illuminating oil. So literally I take 2 drops, boink, boink, And so that's what you're gonna wanna get out of that little bag. You're not gonna wanna rip the top off. And you just dab this on. Now, if you have super oily skin, did you actually know that oil is beneficial? Because the reason skin is super oily is because it's actually dry. And so it overcompensates for dryness by creating extra oil. So what your illuminating oil does is it actually seals in everything that you just put on. So all of that good stuff that you just put on, that illuminating oil is gonna seal it in so it doesn't evaporate, right? Because keeping moisture in our skin is the most important thing we can do. But as soon as we walk out and we get in the heat, I mean, it's hot in here, you can see I'm kind of sweating. When we get hot, we lose that water vapor from us. It leaves our skin. It's just gonna evaporate away. So by putting that illuminating oil on, we actually seal all of that good stuff that we just put on. We seal it in place so that it has time to actually absorb into our skin and make us feel fantastic. Now, there you go. That is how you use your samples. So if you were getting ready for bedtime and you used the hydrating moisturizer, this one's kind of cool because it has one of these airless pumps as well. You pop that down. You wouldn't need to put the oil on over that necessarily. The night cream is a little bit thicker. So I only use my illuminating oil in the day. I don't use it at night. All right, so hopefully you know how to use all of those amazing samples that I sent you. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I hope that you learned a lot with all those messages that I got to send you. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Enjoy your samples. Please tell me how your skin feels. I really love to hear from you. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.